Hiccup! Why does your body suddenly do that? The reason is your diaphragm, a muscle below your lungs that helps you breathe. Sometimes it contracts suddenly. That makes your vocal cords snap shut. The result? That familiar hiccup sound. Hiccups can happen if you eat too fast, drink soda, or even laugh too hard. It's your body's way of saying, take it easy. Most hiccups stop on their own, but if they last more than 48 hours, you should see a doctor. So next time you hiccup, remember, your body just needed a moment.